Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you my new project I have been working. It's called Live Coding Editor. So basically it's a Python script that runs with your VS Code. If you have this GitHub available, your GitHub chat, so you can use it, this GitHub chat. So it should be available for you. So I will now run this script. And now it will monitor here whatever the changes will be here. So let's say I will change the range here and press 100 and you can see the output here. So you have to already enable this autosave feature from here. So let's say I will change back to 59. So now I get the results here. So you can do it for any program you want. And let's say there was an error in this, like I said, this is exception. So let's see how this is fixed. So this is using the GitHub Copilot in the back end. So it's going to press some keys. So you need to change the keys according to your preferences in the settings. So this is going to get the error when it has executed the error. And now it has already fixed this, and you can see the output is still here. Let's see, we will make more changes, like if range is less than, and let's see some error, and let's see if it, so I got the error here, range cannot be negative. So it already is copying the error and fixing this error from the GitHub Copilot. So the error has been fixed, as you can see. Now you can fix the error. So this is still in like a very early stages. I'm working on it, and when it will be ready I will share with you guys. So thanks for watching.